Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana. I hope you guys enjoy the new intro. I also have a new outro, so I hope you guys enjoy it. But in this video, we are going to be doing a whole bunch of dusting. As you can see, I'm showing you the dust that was on my curtain rods. I took down all of my curtains in my house and all of my curtain rods, and they all needed like really dusted and cleaned. So that is what I am doing in this video. And also I am doing a bit of laundry throughout the video as well, and just literally just going around the house and getting dusting done.
No stunt double, I do my own tricks. I got hits on hits, this like my bat flip. Mind on my money, low when my palm itch. Took the slow lane cruising, now look we all rich. I hop out the car, leave the motor running. Why you always talking like you know something? Why you always talking, gon' show 'em something? No stunt double, I do my own stunt. Could take a year off, still have that paper coming. Put like 10 on the 90, I keep it so on it. All in the club, we don't do no clubbing. Throw like 10 on the 90, I keep it so on it. Could never take a hand out. New cars, bigger house, everything was planned out. 2020 hindsight, noticing how I panned out. Never did too much, never wanted to stand out. Spent plenty, in my 20s, no place empty. God sent me, keep it thorough, this not trendy. Don't tempt me, on the edge and I'm sick. See them stealing my moves, hear them jacking my lyrics. But Chris can never dance like Mike, and Floyd can never hit like Tyson. I am who I am, never tripping, I just stick to the plan. And if I trip, it's to a beach, I put my toes in the sand. Silly.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something.
So in between me trying to get the curtains washed, I had to do extra laundry around the house, of course. But I really wanted to get the curtains done because allergies, and you really don't notice how bad the dust is around your curtains until you pull them down to wash them. So I'm really gonna have to be more careful with it and really just pay more attention to washing them and things like that. And plus I really wanted to get it done because it's getting really close to the baby being born, and that was one of the big things that I wanted to get done.
Illuminating, I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
So I did want to say that I did pull off my bed sheets and end up washing them just because I had the dirty curtain rods on them, and like I didn't wipe them off before putting them on my bed, and I kind of refused to lay in a bed full of dust. So I did wash those, and you will see me putting up a few curtain rods in my room, and then I will like dust around my bed. But I did want to say I took down all of the curtains in my house. So the ones in the kids' room, the ones downstairs, and in my bedroom. I just didn't show me taking them all down and putting them all back up because it's kind of repetitive. I did show a little bit of how I was doing it because that broom really did come in handy. But yeah, I just didn't want to show me doing that in every bedroom.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break, I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, this time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. Back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break, I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, this time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah.
So if you're in need of a little bit of laundry motivation, this is your time. It's not too much, but this is your time for a little bit of laundry motivation.
What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah.
lay with me, if only for a moment, only for a while. I regret letting you go, and you were mine. I thought I'd be fine, but
this is the next day, and I am just showing you guys my stand that has my daughter's ashes on it, and my TV stand. Surprisingly, they're really bad and really dirty. Well, not surprisingly, because I guess we don't clean them off often. So they were really bad, and I needed to clean them and stuff. And you see the dust was just so horrible, so I needed to get that taken care of.
call me back. I haven't heard from you in so long, I'm starting to forget what you sound like. 'Cause now that it's over, I'm by myself. Yeah. I thought I'd be fine, but no more. My heart don't feel right. This pain doesn't go away. If I could turn back time, I would've never let you down. 'Cause now I'm waiting for you to say.
Kinda simple, kinda wishful about things, and you're kinda simple, but like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about the drunk nights, bragging in the glory. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself, and the way of how you dwell, I get it. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself, and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You do it right. Hold me tight when I need it, and you always like what I like we know each other. But sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself, and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself, and the way of how you dwell, I get it. Now I'm so tired of hearing take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my.
And this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it motivated you to get some dusting and cleaning done as well. Really keep up with the dust if you have allergies, because it made it 10 times better in my house. And it also made the house smell fresh because of the curtains being cleaned. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.